What is going on, guys? Today is day 108. Let's go over the trade I just took, how it played out, what happened, what I was feeling and thinking. We had a lot of draws to the downside, but we were in bullish structure. ES was bullish, NQ was also bullish. We had broken structure to the upside pre-market on the hourly, and the 4-hour was still bearish, considering that we inversed this 4-hour gap. We had a lot of SMTs to the downside. We had some SMTs to the upside. But I was banking all my money on the longs today because of the higher time frame structure. So we were seeing gaps get respected down here. This 4-hour, this was yesterday. 4-hour was still bullish. 1-hour was bullish, and we were moving up. So into market open, we were already seeing price come down into this range here. And we came down on NQ, actually the more bearish one, and we came and respected this 1-hour gap right here. So once I saw that, although we did inverse this 15-minute that I was pivoting off of, we came down and we tapped this 1-hour gap and respected it pretty heavily. ES, on the other hand, we did respect the 15-minute right here. And honestly, all I was looking for was 5-minute sweeps at the lows and push up to the highs. So right at market open, we were doing exactly what I needed to see. 5-minute sweep out of the 15-minute, pushing up higher. And my draws and liquidity was this high and then this high up here, which was very high resistance. I didn't have too much confidence in it, but so I knew the setup was really good. I saw everything that was happening. We had SMTs at the lows, clearly. You can look at the 4-hour, it's probably easier. We were way down here. And, well, ES was way above. So, wanted to take this trade down here, considerably coming out of the 15-minute, but it was right at market open where that happened. This would have been the most ideal entry. This 1-minute IFG right at market open, but price was doing that way too early for me to want to enter and to enter. And so I waited till 9:40, like I usually do, which I should, and I did. So right coming out of that, the 1-hour, coming off the 1-hour, and so I was waiting till 9:40 for price to present another entry. So at 9:42 or 9:41, this is when we came out, dumped, and then we came back up and we presented this 1-minute IFG on NASDAQ. And then on ES, we were breaking structure to the upside here at 9:41. So had entered right here at 9:42 when that candle opened and came up once it took one of my draws out, which it was very close, unfortunately. But I wanted to take this trade having high conviction, having seen the setup. It was a bit of a chopped entry, I will say, because price was just pushing. So we took our entry here, stops down here. TP was up at this high, so we went. Once this high got taken, I pretty much went break even. I was break even this whole entire trade. So once it took this high, I went break even. Took 3 contracts off. I was trading with 7. We had 4 running, and we were targeting these highs. Absolutely got edged. Price came down. I wasn't too confident in this draw up here just because how high resistance it is. We came out and take out this high, creating an SMT to the downside. But you know, a solid setup. And I honestly just wanted to capitalize on it. Thinking about it, probably could have avoided. But pretty much went break even today. Uh, I think it was a solid trade. I think the entry was chopped. But yeah, even if we wanted an entry right at 9:30, EQ didn't present that until 9:34. So realistically, it would have been like 9:34 right here. So yeah, wish I could have seen this right, later into market open, because this is a perfect pattern trade right here. Just seeing these 5-minute lows get swept inside the 15-minute, moving higher. That's exactly how I love to see it. Just couldn't see it during my time, and tried to capitalize on it as much as I possibly could. That being said, this one's gonna be short. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow. It's July 4th. Observation or something. I've never heard of it. Bullshit. But you know what? It's whatever, bro. Uh, yeah, this trade could have been better, but I simply don't see any other opportunities other than this today within my session. So try to capitalize on as much as I could. Really wanted to close when we started chopping up here. Really wanted to close, but I thought to myself, how would I ever know if it was going to hit my stop loss or TP if I didn't let it do so? So just let it hit my stop loss. It's break even. Honestly, it was fine. But I will see you on Monday. Peace.